Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So today I want to teach you something very special. I did this song on my last video. I posted a live performance I did with my team. But most of you said I should do the breakdown this song. So I'm going to use these beats to do the breakdown. So I'll be playing both the lead line and the bass line. So this is what I'm going to teach you. So this is just the intro. I'm playing on F sharp, but the key I'm on is on G. So this is how it goes. Guys, sol la sol fa mi fa re mi do 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 do. Sol la sol fa mi fa re mi do 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 do. Then mi fa re mi ti 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 mi fa re mi do 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 do. Sol la sol fa mi fa re mi do 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 do. Mi fa re mi ti 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 mi fa re mi do 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 do. Da da da. Sorry. So la so fa mi fa re mi do 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 mi fa re mi ti 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 mi fa re mi do 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 da da da. There you go. Re fa la re fa do mi so ti re so ti re do mi so do. There you go. Da da da. Re mi re. If you want to play re mi re, yo your fa. Re ri re re ri re re ri re re re. Do re do, so fi fa, so la fa so mi, guys. So the bass line is just do fa fa fa, do fa fa fa, do. So this is the bass line I'm using while playing my own. Do fa fa fa, do fa fa fa, do so do do, do 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 do. Do fa, I go do fa fa, do fa fa, do so do do, do so so, do so so, do so so do do, do fa fa, do. So this is just what I was playing there, and I was doing some other solo. So any solo you just want me to do, just comment the time of the solo, the timing. Just comment the timing below. Then I'll try and do it. God bless you. Thanks for watching.